All right, so let's go and see your main living area here. Wow, this is a very open space. Wow. Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. And today we're going to tour this single-story home by KB Homes. And we're here in the southeast area of Las Vegas. And as you can see, guys, KB Home is customer ranked #1 national home builder. I can't wait for us to tour this home, so let's do this. Right, this is the front of the house, and as we can see there, that's the sales center currently. That will be the two-car garage. Nice stonework there, and I like the pavement that they have here. Please comment down below, guys, if you like single-story home like this. It's becoming one of my favorites whenever I feature a single-story home. And I can't wait for us to enter this. Please subscribe down below. Don't forget to like this video. All right, let's take a look at this home inside. Knock, knock. All right. Ooh, look at this. Nice flooring here. Right, let's go first on the left side of the house. We see a bedroom, secondary bedroom. Lots of natural light coming from that window. And you have your closet here. Yeah, pretty good size. Not the biggest, but also not small. Hello, guys. And this one is a full bathroom. Again, you can upgrade that tile there. And I like that they've used this quartz, right? Nice quartz there. All right, let's check out what's happening on this door. It's a linen closet. Very spacious linen closet. Look at the floor. It's pretty nice. And that's the door that we opened a while ago. Let's do this. Let's check out what's happening on this area here. Ooh, you have an office. This is a pretty nice stage office, guys. Really spacious, actually. And as you can see, guys, you have this nice lighting here. And you can actually do a glass door there so that if you wanted to do some Zoom meetings, you can have you can close it, right? You can put a glass door there. It's still very spacious if you put a glass door here. That's a nice office. All right, let's take a look at this side of the home. There's another bedroom here. It's a pretty good sized bedroom. Again, it's not the biggest, but at the same time, it's not small. And that window also brings natural light. Very bright here. You have that closet there. And if you want, guys, I'll probably have you spend some money, upgrade that tile carpet there into hardwood floor. And this is the second, oh, actually just a half bathroom. And you can upgrade also that pedestal thing into a cabinetry. I'm having you spend a lot of money, guys. Sorry. All right, so let's go and see your main living area here. Wow, this is a very open space. Wow, and I like this quartz. I believe this is a quartz, and I love the green there, the waterfall feature of this kitchen island. Nice. Ooh, this is very spacious here. You can store maybe like 1 year of food. And yeah, this looks really bright here. I'm in the corner, at the corner of this kitchen, so you can see how it looks like from this corner of your kitchen. Yeah, lots of counter space. For this size of a square footage, they were able to bring a very functional kitchen with a lot of counter space. And they have this waterfall again. Okay, guys, I wanted to hear some feedback. Do you like black sink, silver sink, or white sink? That's the one that they have their black sink. And look at your view from this corner of the living room. I like that you can immediately see the kitchen there. Let's check out what's happening on this dining area. It's a very spacious dining area. And love that glass door there. Yeah, this is very spacious. And I like that when you're doing your dining here, you can see the TV there, watch your favorite movie while you talk while eating. All right, let's check out what's happening on the owner's bedroom. But before that, this is the laundry area. I would suggest on this door you can probably upgrade that into an insulated door if you want, so that it will lessen the noise of the laundry. Let's check out your owner's bedroom. Wow, this is a lot of lights in here. Yeah, it's very, very spacious. And I like that glass door there. You have access from your owner's bedroom going to your backyard. That's very ideal. And you have your TV outlet there. I'm gonna go on this side of the room so that you can see how it looks like. Right, very spacious. You still have your chair there that you can put. Yeah, this is a very spacious bedroom. And that glass door there makes it even more spacious. And this is your owner's bathroom. On the left side is immediately your toilet area with that window there that brings again natural light. And double sink, right? Very important. Hello, guys. You have your shower area here. Love that they've used again the same quartz on the wall. And that seating area there makes a difference too. This is your walk-in closet. It's not really the biggest, but for this square footage, this is a pretty good size. And you still have that linen area there. You can definitely put some cabinetry here if you want. I'm having you spend some more money again, guys. But again, yeah, it will make this more spacious if you put some cabinetry. All right, so this is your owner's bathroom. Let's go back to the main area and check out whether we can go out and check the backyard. Oops, it looks like it is closed. Yeah, it is closed, so we cannot get out. Yes, it looks like they've already locked it. But again, guys, you have an idea that this is your backyard. You can always upgrade this to a lot premium. So if you want a pool-size lot, definitely highly recommended to get a pool-size lot so that it will be easier for you later on if you wanted to put a pool. But I like that they have that cover already, right? It covers like a patio cover. All right, this again is your main living area. Very spacious for a 1,909 square feet. It looks bigger, and I think it's because of the configuration. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Please comment down below what you think of this beautiful home. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share this video to the people you might know might be interested in this kind of home. Until next time, guys, someone is knocking the door. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you.